wasn't supposed to be the hard part.
There we go. There.
So it wasn't quite in. Okay, perfect. Yeah, you got it now.
Let's see what our directions are. All right. On the opener, press the program set or learn code button for 2 to 3 seconds.
Okay.
LED lights and release. So it should light up an LED light.
Yep.
On the keypad, enter 357.
That's you.
Okay? Press the up and down key 2 to 4 times slowly.
Wow. That was easy.
When the backlighting goes out, enter factory pin 357.
357, now hit program, right? Now enter your new pin, 3 to 8 digits.
Okay,
and then hit program. I think that's it. Hey!
Wow,
That was easy enough. Usually it's like, it still doesn't work, now what?
So we got this opener mounted and we went through this process here. We hit a button on the opener and entered the 357 that came from the factory and pressed the up and down arrow 2 to 3 times slowly and the garage door moved. So then we went down here to the setting the new pin. When the lights were out, we entered the code 357. We pressed the program key and then we entered our code that we wanted to use and we hit the program key again. And then after that, we just entered the code when the back lights went out. And just like that, piece of cake. So that was super, super easy to do. So I'm pretty happy with that.